Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Tuesday, August 2nd. Well, if you don't like roller coaster riding, you're in the wrong business, because that's what we had today. I mean, the market took off like a cat shot in the backside this morning. Everybody was buying up 200 points. The Dow, the Nasdaq, not the Nasdaq, the Dow, the Russell 2000, and the Dow Transports all stuck their nose through that important area that we've been looking at for the last 3 or 4 or 5 days. Got up there, and, you know, I thought there was a chance that they were going to go through. But, you know, the boys from the Hamptons just didn't have enough money to keep it going. And they rolled over and gave back not only what they gained on the day, and then some. My short-term indicator went from oversold to slightly overbought to very oversold again by the end of the day. It's like 2 days of trading in one day today. So actually it can be upsetting when you get these kind of days, because these reversal days where everything looks great and then all of a sudden they look terrible, it's easy for you to lose your focus, and that's why you need to have a plan, and you stick to your plan, and that's what we're doing. Anyway, we'll take a look at all these major indexes. We'll show you if there's any damage done, and what we can expect going forward. Actually, nothing's been solved, so we'll look at those in the final segment. What else happened today? Well, we bought some Champion Enterprise. I paid $5.11. We'll take a look at that. And also, I have a new idea for you tomorrow. The stock is FMD, First Marblehead. That's a name. Okay, but it's a good-looking chart. The other thing I wanted to mention is, you know, the financials are starting to look pretty good. They're probably some of the best looking technical charts around where we can make some money. The other market is you need to be a stock picker. If you're in the wrong stock, you're going to lose money. But all the financials as a group starting to firm up pretty good. Okay, and First Marblehead it's a financial. So in just a moment, we'll take a look at the chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart. I need to get the right chart. There we are. We're looking at a daily bar chart of FMD. It's First Marblehead. Good volume, 1.6 million today. I'm zoomed out pretty far because I want to show you my target and why I've picked it. It's the real first major resistance area coming back up after it, you know, turned the corner here. So this is why I've picked this. Now I'm going to zoom in, and I'll give you the stats. Okay, this is a call on the buy side. We're looking to buy this tomorrow, all right, around 408. It's about right where it closed. All the way down as low as 375 it could pull back into. Okay, my sell stop recommendation for a sell stop would be a close below that level right there, which is $3.43. And my target on the upside is $7.30. That's this resistance area right up here. Alright, so what do I see? Well, I call this a continuation pattern. Alright? Starts out with a ascending triangle, has a huge breakout, pulls back, now it's turned the corner, and it's going to continue its pattern. That's why I call it a continuation pattern. It just got ahead of itself short term, and now it's back down. Also, I see a ascending triangle being formed here. Right there. And you can see we've broken out of it. That's why I said we may pull back down into this area. I wouldn't chase after this one. This one might come to us a little bit tomorrow, but like I said, it's a continuation pattern. It's got this nice rounded bottom. All right, let me recap that. That's FMD. It's a call on the long side, and depending on where we buy this, we could probably make ourselves $4, $3.50 anyway. Okay, let's take a look at Champion Enterprise. Bought this morning at $5.11. Still a good looking chart. Still has this ascending triangle, and this is our target around 770. So put that into our portfolio, and hopefully, maybe in a week or two, we'll be ringing the register in that one. All right, let's go take a look at the major indexes and see the wild ride we had today. Okay, the Dow Jones averages. We actually stuck our nose through that resistance area, but that resistance area is proving to be quite an area. I can pick resistance areas because it couldn't get through, and it came all the way back down again. Actually closed down on the day. What's encouraging here is we still have these rising bottoms. That has not been violated. But the key area that we're looking for to hold up is right there. So once again, we're stuck in this range. We can't break out of this range. We tried. It was looking good for a while, but just couldn't hold on. Okay, transportation average. Same thing. We actually stuck our nose through that resistance area, but it gave way and came back down again. So these are our key areas, and we're still in this back and forth motion. Russell 2000 stuck its nose through that resistance area. Basically, let's say it got to it and also pulled back in. And these are our key areas again. Coming through this top should call for further movement on the upside, and a break below this low probably will call for a test of these lows. And that's what we're waiting for to happen. SPY, very similar to the Dow. These are our key areas. We got right to it and pulled back. Now we got to hold this area here. QQQs, worst looking chart in the whole entire group. Now that the financials are acting good, the Dow chart is fairly somewhat solid compared to this. All right, we're pulling back into the support area. As I mentioned on, well, it wasn't actually Friday, it was Monday night. At this whole area here, this whole pattern here is a support. And this is our key area down here. We don't want to see this area down here get broken. So this whole area here is support. It could pull back down into, it could pull all the way down into here before we get a rally going. Although my indicator is very oversold, I would suspect we're going to get some kind of rally sometime tomorrow. Okay, that's my view of the market. That's the roller coaster we were on today, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So till tomorrow, this is TK signing off.